All right, for this morning, I have some updates from my Linux Mint, almost 400 megabytes. How long will it take? Well, let's take a look. Install updates, let's click that. Some additional updates here, very good. All right, looks like we have Kdenlive, a Flatpak version of Kdenlive to be upgraded, and let's click continue. Password. All right, so the time is 6:40. Let's see about how long this will take approximately. You can click details if you want to, not necessary. So this is on a Dell Optiplex with 16 gigs of RAM, Core i7. All right, downloading the latest Flatpak for Kdenlive. All right, so in this case, a reboot is required, not too surprising. And it looks like this took approximately 3 minutes. Of course, you have to reboot. There's a few seconds there. No big deal. So for almost 400 megabytes of Linux Mint updates, it took approximately 3 minutes with the reboot. Not bad. How fast is your system?